True me say good pastors deserve to live big. Some of them it come like a goal them come in a your life for dig.
Amen.
When them say tired and sacrificial offering, them the business are where you want get it from. Them eat steamed fish, wipe them out with lobster, while you, my brothers and sisters, don't have a thing for them. 100 US for a healing miracle. And the next 100 if you want them release a high-end vehicle. And if you ever bright enough to buy one for your own to drive it come, them say the Lord if you tell us if you sell it and offer the money to the church or building fund. And them alone hear from the Lord. It's like he malice everybody else.
True.
About the Lord said to tell you. I know the Lord your sister Millie. And Satan own herself.
Devil is a liar.
Them not eat with the multitudes like Jesus. Them segregation themselves. And if you ever backslide and get pregnant, them put you about bench.
Oh God.
Them say, come as you are. But me no trust them out. Me wear a battery rider go all night prayer. And Sister Evangelist Millie, them usher me out. Them have a scale where measure your righteousness. So Sister Dearest, try don't get into no mess. If you sin, them take you off of the choir.
Amen.
If you thief, them bring it to the church.
Preach.
If you sleep with pastor, that undercover. But if you're homosexual, brimstone and fire, straight to hell, them ship you off. Not even Papa Jesus can speak on your behalf. If you can swap big money, you're in a luck. Everybody treat you nice. Trying to go this with a widow's mite. Because if you're broke, it come like a you the entire church despise. Them just walk past you. Or they don't remember for them out again. But make the man of God prophesy good things boy you and everybody turn friend. Church is a place where everybody's seen.
Preach.
Me, you, the baby upon the breast,
Amen.
the usher, even the pastor.
True, sister.
So me not make nobody separate me from God this time. I'm chasing after him. Yes, Sister Evangelist Reverend Millie, me make up my mind. But you know want the thief in pastor them rob me, me start the church online.
Amen.
Hallelujah. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zendrama.